Here is some side boob for your viewing pleasure. So guess what? My second package from Sephora came. Life is good. I got a couple things from Real Techniques. So I got this sculpting brush, and then I also got their Miracle Complexion Sponge. I also just got makeup wipes, Sephora brand makeup wipes. On to more exciting things. Ooh. Fenty Beauty highlighter. I told myself I wasn't gonna get it, but I was weak. Okay, it's too bright. Anyways, so this is Hustler Baby and Mean Money. So oh my god, I just like how so this side is Hustle Baby, this side is Mean Money. Maybe I'll swatch it because that's what YouTubers do. So okay, so that right there is Hustler Baby, and okay, you can't really see Mean Money, but she's there. So that's exciting. That's all for this haul. Just had like a mediocre workout because I missed Zumba because someone was late. No offense, it wasn't his fault, but my dad made the driver late. It's hella embarrassing. So you know how like someone tried to open the bathroom door while I was in there, like trying to vlog? It turns out it was like this really cute boy that I was like checking out, and fuck my life.
Hey, Brent. Hey.
Dad, what are you doing?
Isn't it, Brent?
No. That's a K-drama.
Ah, okay. I thought you were Brent.
Today at the gym, I went to a hip-hop class, and at that hip-hop class, I was trying to make friends, right? So I started talking, and I introduced myself. I'm like, hi, my name is Alexa. And like, they all didn't know how to say my name, so I was like, oh, it's okay, you can call me Lex. They literally laughed at the way I said Alexa. I don't know, but I was so sad. Okay, moving on. So now I was like, okay, they're gonna be so intimidated if I keep speaking English. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna speak Tagalog instead. So I was like, girl, I was trying my best. I was out here like trying to bring out all the slang. They still laughed. Like, I said the word dito, which means like here, or like up to like hanggang dito, which means like up to here, because I was saying like, oh my god, yeah, like we all got it, hanggang dito. But they just laughed at the way I said dito, and then I was like, fuck, fine, I'll speak in English. Like, there's no winning out here. There's just no winning. There's no pleasing them. Hello, friends. So I've decided that I'm gonna start vlogging in Tagalog so I can practice. I know, genius. I'll also put subtitles so you all aren't just sitting guessing what I'm saying. I know, genius. So okay, first I gotta figure out what I'm gonna say first, cause alright, I'll be back. I'm back. So Marcus is sending me all of these sad songs. Di ko alam. Pambihira namang kaibigan, oh. Ito, si Marcus, pinapadala niya sa akin mga malungkot na kanta. Like, bitch, what the fuck? Anyways, I guess be on the lookout for Tagalog vlogs. Exciting! I'm drinking Coca-Cola Life. and it's like organic Coke. We just got to the resort. I'm in the bathroom because the lobby's full of weird people. Like a lame ass bitch at a resort going to the fucking gym. Just kind of walking around this beautiful like lake area by myself, just to like digest before I go back to the gym. There's water lilies all over this thing. That's like the main country club where everything is. That's the hotel we're staying at. So nice here, but it's kind of sad because I'm kind of by myself. So I think I'm gonna head back over there. Might go swimming. Turns out that their spa does not have, I guess like nail stuff. It's literally just like massages and facials. So I'll probably go there tomorrow since I have makeup on right now. I'll go tomorrow morning, get a nice facial done before we head to the beach and stuff. Or I don't know, maybe I'll go after the gym. But in any case, this is like such a nice place. And I know I'm like super dark right now, but yeah. There are like literally so many nice ass places to take an OOTD here, but no one to take my fucking OOTD. Thinking of Desiree and how she would probably pet all these ducks. Triggered.